Hi, thank you for joining me today at 2cutebeads.com. I'm going to show you how we created our daisy kit with Swarovski crystals. Getting ready for Mother's Day, or it's a nice gift to give a friend, just something a little bit different that we do with our beads. So your kit is going to contain some floral tape, bale wire in green, and stainless steel wire. It's going to contain pearls and crystals, marguerite, a sunflower chessboard bead in 8mm, 6106 pair pendants in size 22 and 16. So what we're going to start with is we're going to start with our bale wire, and we're just going to untangle it, stretch it out, get any kinks out of it. We're going to fold it in half, and this is pretty strong. You have to really pull extremely tight for this to break on you. So now we have our two pieces. Set that aside. Now we need to cut this one in thirds. I'm just going to eyeball it. You can use a ruler or a tape measure. So I'm going to start by creating my leaves. So I'm going to load 3 of my bicone beads on. Bring it down, pinch it together here at the top, and I like to use my bent nose to get a good twist. And I'm going to come down, and I'm just going to keep twisting it down. And I'm going to do this 3 times. You can also use seed beads or pearls. You know, kind of experiment with the beads you have around you. I have my leaves. I'm going to pinch them together. You arrange them however you like them. But that's going to be my leaves for my daisy. Now I'm going to do the same thing again here. This is the wire I cut in half, and I need thirds. And this is for our baby's breath. So again, it's the same technique. We load 3 on. Now if I was using a white seed bead, I would load 5 on, just because they're smaller And I want my baby's breath to stand out. And again, we do the same thing here with our baby's breath. We pinch them together. So we have our baby's breath now. Now we're going to take our stainless steel wire, large pair, small pair, large pair, small, large, small, large, small, large, small. So we're going to make sure starts with a large, ends with a small, so everything's even. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so we need to come back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to find the center. We're going to back through those beads. We're going to try to make sure we have equal wire on both sides, because we're going to need that wire for our stem. Here we go, just like this. We're going to pull super tight, pull our wire up, pull our wire up. Now we're going to take our chessboard, cross our wires over. Whoops. That's our center. Now we're going to go to the back. We're going to pull our wires up. We're going to twist. Now we need to tighten everything in place. So we're going to take our bent nose, we're going to twist down. We're going to bring our wires up. I'm going to get them even here. I'm going to load my marguerite on. Taking it through, pushing it down, making sure that all my petals are right. Then I'm going to load my crimp tube on. And holding it down, I'm going to go down push down as far and tight as I can. Now everything is in place. I'm going to take my tape. You can use scissors to cut it, but I'm going to load it up, holding it in place. I'm going to twist it around. Now I'm going to start to wrap my beads. Pushing up as I go. Now, when you pull it, it gets very sticky, and that's what we want. Because we're actually wrapping our stem. I'm just going to take it down here. Just keep turning it until you can feel the stickiness on your fingers. We're going to take another piece now. We're going to add it. Pull it. Going to take our baby's breath. And our leaves, and we're going to add these to the mix. Hiding all of our wire. You just work with it for a little while. And if you have extra bicones, you can add more stems, you can add more baby's breath. If you want to, before you do your last wrap in the back, you can also use a pipe cleaner. And then we just set it in a vase. Thanks for joining us at 2 Cute Beads.